the Magicshine SEEMEE 300 Smart Taillight. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at the Magicshine SEEMEE 300 Smart Taillight. I'll go over specs, features, and then show it in use. Inside, it comes with a user guide, a saddle mount adapter, seat post mount adapter, and the USB-C charging cable. Going over some brief specs, this has 300 lumens max output. It has a lens angle of 260 degrees. The opti-tracing light angle is 360 degrees. Max runtime of 200 hours, IPX6 waterproof rating. It has a USB-C for charging, a charge time of 2 hours. It has a 1600 milliamp hour battery. It weighs in at 2.8 ounces, and it's aluminum alloy housing. And here you can see the different light modes along with the runtime. Taking a look at the light, you can see how small it is. It just fits in the palm of your hands. You can see the LED lighting all around, and then you have the two lights in the middle. And then the bottom, you have the 360 opti-tracing light. The top, you have the power button along with the mode button, so you can change the different modes. You have the charging port on the back. And then you have the Garmin style mount. So looking at the mounting options, you have this saddle mount here. And then basically to connect it, you just want to line it up like this and then twist. Then you have your seat post mount. You can see the groove on the back that will line up against the seat post. And then locking it into place, just twist. Now going over some of the light functions, this has a brake function, so basically when you hit your brakes, the lights will get brighter. You can turn that on by holding the power button. So if you hold it down like this for 3 seconds, and it will stay on really bright. So that means it's on. Turning it off, you want to do the same thing for 3 seconds until it flashes. There you go, now it's off. So turning the light on is simple. Just press the power button on the top, and it basically remembers the last setting that you're on. And you can see the opti-tracing light. That will basically stay on, and it's controlled by the light sensor. So during the daytime it will be off, and then at nighttime it will flash when the main light is in a constant mode, and it lights up constantly when the main light is flashing. So changing the modes, it's just a single click on the top button. You can cycle through the low, medium, high, and different flashing modes. Okay, so let's see how it looks once it's mounted on the bike. And here's a look at the different modes as I cycle through them. And this is how the motion sensor looks when the brakes are applied. Here you can see the opti-tracing coverage at night. Okay, that will do it. That's a look at the Magicshine SEEMEE 300 Smart Taillight. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.